Congratulations on your brand new mattress from the North America Mattress Corporation. Your handmade American-built mattress has been compressed and shipped in a small box. This video is a quick resource for you to know how to safely set up your mattress from the compression process. Step 1. Open your mattress immediately upon delivery. The longer the mattress stays in its compressed form, the more of a chance the foam in your mattress will become distorted long term. Please don't delay. Step 2. Remove the mattress from the box. Please note, do not use any sharp objects at any step in this process. We can understand this process can be difficult to do without it, but it's very easy to puncture your brand new mattress when you use sharp objects. Remove the tape from the top of the box, turn the box upside down, and let the mattress slide out of the box. Note, for this step, it may be helpful to include a second person as the box, although not very large, is heavy. Step 3. Open the outer shell of plastic. Then, place the mattress in its final destination. It's much easier to put the mattress in its final destination in its current state than after the mattress has been reinflated. Step 4. Remove the plastic from the compressed mattress. Note, once you begin to open the plastic, the mattress will begin to refill with air. After the plastic is fully removed, it will take 12 to 24 hours for the mattress to be fully restored. Thanks again for your purchase. We truly appreciate you. If you have any questions, please reach out to one of our customer service representatives by emailing us at sales@nemattress.com.